Hi again, let's create a picture frame and easel project. To create the easel, start by making a rectangle that has a height of 5.792 inches and a width of 0.624 inches. Create a second rectangle that has a height of 5.792 inches and a width of 0.5 inches. Align it on the left side of the first rectangle. You'll need to create a right triangle that angles towards the left. The height should be 5.792 inches like the other rectangles, and the width of mine is 1.940 inches. Next, create an edit point about halfway down the angled side and make it curved. Drag it down to create a curved slope. You can color it in along with the thinner rectangle to see the shape a bit better. Create another point towards the tip of the bottom here. Grab the blue dot to the right of the edit point and angle it downwards to create a shape like this. Edit the points to make it bigger. Next, copy the shapes you colored in and mirror right. Align it along the edge of the rectangle. Create a copy of the entire thing and place it off to the side. If you'd like, you can round off the corner at the top. You'll need to delete the mirrored copy and mirror it again once you are done rounding off the corner. That is one version of the easel. Create a copy and delete the rectangle on the middle. You can weld the two together, so it looks more like this easel. Create a dashed line in the middle of the easel so it can easily fold. I like to add the rectangle in the middle to widen it and add support, sort of like this one. Create dashed lines along the sides of the rectangle. Color in the rectangle and bring it to the front. Widen it so it overlaps the sides and weld all three pieces together. Next, send it backward so you can see the dashed lines. I needed to change the color of the lines to see them better. Finally, group all the pieces together. We're going to create our picture frame kind of the same way we created our insert greeting card. It might be helpful to refer back to that video. Create a rectangle that is the same size as your photo. This easel is perfect for a 4x6 inch photo. Create a copy of the rectangle and add 1 inch on both sides, so now it's 5x7 inches. Center both pieces to each other. We need to create slits on each corner so that the photo can be inserted and held in place. This may sound confusing at first, but we'll go through it slowly. We did the same process in the greeting card video. Okay, first create a diagonal line on one corner right about here. Next, create a copy of the line. Select the line and the smaller rectangle, and in the transform panel, align right, and then align bottom. Mirror that line to the left. Select the mirrored line and smaller rectangle, and align top and align right. Duplicate that line and select the line and rectangle and align bottom, and then align left. You should have 4 slits, 1 on each corner. For now, I moved the easels out of the way. Select the entire thing and make a copy right below it. This will be the front of your frame. I searched for bracket frames PNG, and you can get so many results. I traced this one and placed it in the middle of both rectangles and colored it all in. Just an FYI, you'll need to make your bracket frame smaller than this. I found that this didn't cover the entire photograph, so I had to do it all again. Once everything is selected, subtract all in the Modify panel and move the top pieces away. Delete everything that is left behind. Move the pieces back and release Compound Path and click Subtract All again. And there you have the front of your frame. Align it to the top rectangle and remove the smaller rectangle. Color in the top rectangle and add a dashed line where both rectangles meet. Nudge the bottom one just one space up using the up arrow key and weld both rectangles together. Bring all the lines to the front. Group everything together. Send to cut the frame and then the easel separately, or together if using the same color. As you can see, I made the bracket smaller so it's more in the center. Fold the frame and insert the photograph on the inside. You can leave it as is or add glue dots, glue, or tape so that it closes. Fold the easel along the dashed line and you're done. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.